Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best trim restorer is probably one of the most essential products for any car owner looking to bring back that showroom shine to faded and weathered plastic and trim pieces, transforming a dull exterior into a head-turning masterpiece with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it a must-have for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike who value aesthetics and protection. Number 5. CERAKOTE Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our solution renews, seals, and protects surfaces, providing results that last for months. Don't let rain ruin your hard work. This product repels water, preventing ugly streaks and maintaining a great look through any weather. Say goodbye to greasy gels that never dry. Our restorer leaves a perfect finish that is completely dry to the touch, protecting your supplies. We are committed to quality, using advanced science and the best equipment. Our formulas are proudly made in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any concerns, our team is here to help make it right. This user-friendly kit includes everything you need for a lasting restoration. Bring your vehicle's trim back to life effortlessly. What we like. If you're tired of products that fade quickly and leave streaks after rain, this is the one for you. It offers a long-lasting finish that repels water, ensuring your car looks great for months. Choose this if you want a reliable, no-mess solution that truly endures. What people say. This product is amazing and it works like a charm. It brought my old faded plastic trim back to life and made it look brand new. The restorer is easy to apply and provides a long-lasting shine. Number 4. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Introducing the CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit, your ultimate solution for restoring and protecting plastic trim. This advanced ceramic coating offers a lasting, like-new finish. Experience unparalleled durability with our industry-leading ceramic technology. It's designed to last for over 200 washes, providing maximum protection for your vehicle. Unlike temporary dressings, our ceramic coating actually cures to your vehicle's plastics. This ensures a robust shield against harmful UV rays and environmental damage. Restoring your trim is now simpler than ever. Just clean, dry, and use the pre-saturated wipes for a satisfying, like-new finish in minutes. Say goodbye to messy sprays and gels. Our kit includes gloves and individually packaged wipes for a clean, easy, and mess-free application process. This kit not only restores faded trim but also provides essential protection. Keep your vehicle looking its best with this innovative ceramic solution. What we like. For those seeking the ultimate in long-term protection and a true ceramic coating, look no further. This product guarantees restoration for over 200 washes, offering superior durability and UV protection. If you want a hassle-free, high-performance ceramic solution that lasts, this is your best bet. What people say. This product is amazing and works great on my car. I love how this product makes my car look brand new. This product is easy to use and apply. Number 3. CERAKOTE Interior Car Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Tired of interior cleaners that just don't cut it? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt, grime, and tough stains. You'll be amazed at how easily it lifts embedded messes with minimal effort. From leather seats to carpets, upholstery, vinyl, and plastic, this cleaner does it all. It's your go-to solution for virtually every interior surface, eliminating the need for multiple specialized products. Say goodbye to sticky residues and greasy films. Our advanced formula cleans thoroughly, leaving behind a fresh, residue-free finish on all your interior surfaces. No need for a second wipe down. Cleaning your car interior has never been easier. Simply spray, agitate gently with the included microfiber towel, and wipe away the mess. Its no-rinse formula means you can get back to enjoying your clean car faster. This comprehensive 18-ounce kit includes our professional-grade microfiber towel, providing exceptional value. A little goes a long way, ensuring you can keep multiple vehicles looking their best for longer. We're confident you'll love the results. That's why we back our interior cleaner with a zero-risk policy. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, we'll make it right. What we like. If you're struggling with stubborn interior stains on various materials like leather, carpet, or upholstery, this is your go-to cleaner. Its powerful formula tackles grime without leaving any sticky residue. Choose this if you need a versatile, no-rinse cleaner that works effectively on almost any interior surface. What people say. This product works great on my car's plastic trim. It restored the faded black plastic on my car to look like new. Easy to apply and lasts for a long time. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Nonsense Colorless and Odorless All-Surface Cleaner. Introducing a powerful cleaner that tackles dirt, grease, and stains. It's safe for use on a variety of surfaces, both inside and outside your vehicle. This formula is gentle yet effective, making it safe for interiors and exteriors. You can confidently use it in your car, home, or garage. Enjoy a pure clean without any artificial fragrance or dye. It leaves behind no residue, ensuring your surfaces are left looking their best. Get professional strength cleaning power that's easy for anyone to use. It effectively removes tough dirt and stains with minimal effort. Trusted by professionals, this cleaner delivers exceptional results. It's perfect for detailing interiors, engine bays, wheels, and more without causing damage. Simply spray, agitate, and wipe away grime. It dries fast, leaving no sticky or greasy residue behind for a perfect finish every time. What we like. If you or your passengers are sensitive to strong scents or dyes, this odorless and colorless cleaner is perfect. It safely cleans a wide array of interior and exterior surfaces without leaving any artificial fragrance or dye. Opt for this if you desire a pure, residue-free clean that's gentle yet effective. What people say. This product is amazing and works wonders on my car's faded plastic trim. It restored the black color to my trim and made it look like new again. Easy to apply and lasts for a long time. Number 1. Solution Finish Black Plastic and Vinyl Trim Restorer. Tired of faded black trim? This product is designed to bring your car's vinyl and plastic back to its original glory. It provides a long-lasting finish with superior durability and protection. Get a like-new finish in no time. Simply apply with a cloth or towel for quick and easy restoration. It helps restore faded parts of your vehicle instantly. Its advanced, silicone-free formula works wonders on a variety of surfaces. Use it on window trim, handles, bumpers, and even mud flaps. Don't limit its use to just cars and trucks. This versatile formula is also perfect for ATVs, UTVs, boats, and other recreational vehicles with plastic vinyl trim. Experience unmatched quality in the industry. You can count on this product for long-lasting results and a durable finish that stands the test of time. Achieve a true black finish without any unwanted wet look. It instantly revives the color to trim, bumpers, and mud flaps, making them look brand new. What we like. For anyone looking to instantly revive faded black plastic and vinyl trim without a greasy or wet appearance, this is the ideal solution. Its advanced formula works on a variety of surfaces beyond just cars, including ATVs and boats. If you want a natural, long-lasting restoration for black trim, this product delivers unmatched results. What people say. This product works great and makes the plastic look like new. It is very easy to apply and does not leave any streaks. The restorer lasts for a long time, even after washing the car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.